Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to do a simple cantilever simulation in Solidworks. So let's start. So first thing that I need is I need to create a geometry. So what I will do, I will select a plane, for example front plane, click on sketch and I will draw my sketch. So you can choose the length, height as per your requirement. In my case 500 mm is length and 50 mm is the height. Go to the features, extrude mid plane. Let's make it 50 mm here as well. Click OK. So you can see I create a simple beam. Now I will click on Solidworks add-in, click on Solidworks simulation. A simulation tab will appear here. Now click on here, click on new study. So I'm going to do a static simulation for the sake of simplicity. If you want to learn in deep detail how to do the simulation and other things, I highly recommend check out my free SolidWorks simulation course, link in description. Right click on part, apply the favorite material. In my case, I'm choosing plain carbon steel, but you can click on apply edit material and choose custom material as per your requirement. Now, next thing that I want is I want to define what part is fixed. So let's say this face is fixed. It's a cantilever beam. So it need a side face fixed. So I will click on fixed geometry, select the face, click OK. So that face is fixed. Now I need to apply a load. So click on here, click on force. Uh, you notice something that when I try to put a load, it's applying to the whole face. But I don't want to apply on the whole face. I just want to apply on a simple small area. So what can I do? So when I was a beginner, what I was thinking that hey, that I will cut a face here and put a load. A wrong approach. So let's see what is the right approach. So I will select this face, click on sketch. Now I will draw a simple line here and give it dimensions. Let's say 25. So when I was beginner, basically what I was thinking that hey, that I will cut this surface so that I can select this face. But it is not a correct approach. So the correct approach will be go to the features, curves, split line, select this face, click OK. Notice is split because of that I can select this face easily and it is the correct approach because I'm not going to do any kind of deformation or cutting the body. If I use extrude cut to make this face particular selected, that will be issue. Now I will go to the static, click on here, click on force, select this face. Notice it is not selecting the whole face. Apply the load as per your requirements. Let's say 100 Newton. Click OK. Click on run the study. Notice that my simulation is done and you can see where is the high stress, where is the low stress and what is the maximum value, and you can see also the displacement. Okay, how can I make it animate? Right click, click on animate. You can see your animation and right click displacement show, right click animate, and you can see your displacement animation. In that way you can create a lot of things. Okay, and there are something called section clipping. I highly recommend if you really want to learn in deep details, check out the free SolidWorks simulation course, link in description. You will learn there. And my basic main aim is just to show you how to do simulation and and see the results. A question that comes in your mind is basically here that is here the value is 3.681 times for minus 2 mm. It's a quite small value, but on a 500 mm rod, this doesn't look like 10 to minus 2 mm. So what is the scam here? Here is the thing. When you do the simulation in SolidWorks, so SolidWorks showed 2000 or 3000 times the actual displacement. Why? The reason is that so that you can visualize where is the deformation actually happening. For example, 10 to minus 2. It is a very small deflection. you can't able to see from your naked eyes. So that is the reason SolidWorks do the deflection 3000 times the original. So for example, if I right click on edit definition, and you can see this value 1361. So it automatically multiply this. If I click on true scale, click OK, you can see this is how is actual deflection. But again, you can't able to visualize with your eyes. And if you want to learn more about the simulation part, I highly recommend check out free SolidWorks course, link in description. You will learn a lot of things there. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.